Hey there, Chatbot land. Okay, now we're going to do a 15-minute chatbot agency challenge where in less than 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to start a chatbot agency for free that can do lead gen, meaning you can get clients like electricians or roofers and help drive new business to them using a chatbot. Let's get started. So I'm going to use a tool called Chatbase. The web address is chatbase.co, not .com, .co. And this is a robust tool that we're going to use the free version of so you can see exactly how it works. You can play with ChatGPT, and you'll have, at the end of this, an example demo bot for your agency, and it'll work amazingly. So I'm going to try it for free. You'll do the same thing. I'm going to continue with Google because I'm already logged in at Google. All right. I'll continue here, and you could use your regular email, obviously. And this will be the interface that you see. I'm going to click New Chatbot. And this is where I train the bot, all right? So let's say that I am going to train my chatbot on this business, which is associated with this Gmail. And it's conversational AI for setting solar, EV generators, and more. All right, so that is what this chatbot's going to be for, and we'll put it on this page. Okay, cool. So I want to train this bot, and I know that I have a website, so let's train it on my website. I'm going to do this. I'm going to fetch the links. It's going to start crawling my website. That was fast. I can have facts, like a frequently asked questions. So I'll say, what is AI? Something like that. AI is a new way to converse with your customers in a way that sounds real. Okay, you can keep adding these for your business. All right, and you may also have them on your website. And that's it. So that's how you minimally train your bot to know about your business or your client's business, right? You could also write a text file. You could say, I'm doing it for SparkCharge Pro. I could say, SparkCharge Pro is, we'll get this from the website, but I'm going to show you how to do it another way. Located in Chicago, Illinois. We specialize in lead gen for electricians. You can get as robust as you want. You can see there's a character limit here with the free count of 400,000 characters. I'm already at 38,000. Okay, so I'm going to create my first chatbot. I'm going to hit create. Okay, and right away I can start talking to my chatbot. I can say, hi, what do you do? I am an AI assistant. How can I assist you today? What do you offer? Okay, so it looks like we need to, it might not be done training. Okay, so this is the interface for this bot here that you're seeing me use in real time. Real quickly, this is where you can adjust the temperature of the bot, which I want to do. I wanted it about, to go to settings here. So the first settings you can adjust for your chatbot. You can change the name of it. I'm going to call this my first bot. Save that. Okay, here is where we let the bot know what it's supposed to do. This is where you do the prompting for the bot. This isn't the training where we loaded up different sources of information, right? Like the website, some text. This is where we actually prompt the bot what to do. I'm going to say, and that's why it was responding how it was, because it's not properly prompted. And this is where you can have fun playing with ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, you are a bot called Sunny, and you work for SparkCharge Pro. Your job is to get them to book an appointment. No, actually, I don't want to book an appointment. Your job is to educate them about our services and try to get their email address. Okay, so I like to start with minimal prompting. And this is using ChatGPT 3.5. Don't worry about this here, but this temperature here, this is interesting. So lots of these chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. You can set the temperature of the bot. I like to set it at about 0.3 from a range of 0 to 1. 1 means that the responses are going to be virtually identical every time. 1 means 0, that's at this end. 1 means that they're going to be completely different every time, maybe even too different to be of much use. So I see people setting the temperature to about 0.3, 0.4. We'll see what 0.4 does. I'm going to save this. Okay. Continuing through with settings, the chat interface, I can just change the colors and add a logo for a profile picture on the chatbot, which is kind of cool. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can totally play with this and you'll see the changes in real time. Security, so right now this is a private bot. No one can see it. Once I embed it on a website, which is how you'll distribute this thing, it becomes public. All right, so that's what this setting is. Leads. So let's say we want the bot to ask for its email. Let's turn this on and see what happens. And I'm going to do say, because remember we want the bot to get its email address. You can get notifications if you upgrade webhooks, domains. That's all stuff if you want to upgrade. This is the free bot. Here's the dashboard where you'll see conversations that your bot had, and you can export these for use with your client if you want to use a free tool like this. Maybe give these bots away. Here's the sources where we did the training. Here's integrations. You can't really do anything without a subscription. This is the free version, but you can get pretty robust with this. Connected to Zapier, Slack, WhatsApp, WordPress, eventually to Messenger, which will be cool. All right, now what we want to do is we want to embed this chat widget on a site. So I'm going to make this public. And let's see, to add the chatbot anywhere on your site, add this iFrame to your HTML code, okay? So all that means is that I need to... no, I don't want it in an iFrame. I want that little chat bubble like down here. So I'm going to copy the bottom strip. I'm going to copy this. And let me open up this web page editor real quick. And we will add that to the bottom here. And we'll try it. One moment, please. Okay. Okay. All right, so here is this here. It's a different web page, so hopefully y'all can see this nicely. So I want to add the chat bubble here, and I copied the code. Remember, I copied that snippet of code from here. I'm going to go to this is a web editor, like lots of them work. So I'm just going to, I think I can put it down here. Doesn't matter where you put it, I think, because it's going to put it in the corner. So I'm going to add a section here. And I'm going to add in a bit of code. This is where you can paste code in. So I'm going to paste this here. I just copied and pasted it, right? That's all you have to do. I'm going to save this. I'm going to publish it. And now let's see what happens if I refresh this page. Oh, look at that. It's a chatbot widget right there at the corner. So let's talk to it. Hi, what can I help you with? What is Spark Charge Pro? Oh, it's a lead gen service for electricians and contractors. It answered the question correctly, and then it asked for the email address. Bam. Now I have their email address. The lead gen is complete. The bot stops talking because why keep talking to it if I have the email address? If I go back to my free chatbot here, right? I go to my dashboard. I'm going to say I had some conversations here. Notice this leads tab. Click on leads, and what do you know? There's a lead. So this is a free lead gen agency that I did in less than, I don't know, 10 minutes, I think, really. And if you want to use this for your own agency, I love giving these things away as a lead magnet, right? It's you can give them away for free, and then because you only pay one cheap price to get as many as you want, and I'll show you other options as well. But you can update here, so you know it has upgrade options, right? All the way up to $3.99. I'll show you some other options that might be cheaper than this. But anyway, that's how you create your own chatbot agency in less than 15 minutes using a tool like Chatbase to get started, where you can have a lead gen AI bot embeddable on the bottom of any web page. And you know, this web page is in GoHighLevel, if you know what that is, but it doesn't matter. This chatbot has nothing to do with GoHighLevel. And it's even branded. If you upgrade your account with Chatbase, I know that you can brand it yourself, so it's a nice flywheel. You give them away, they see it's powered by your agency, someone else clicks on it, they want the bot, and so on and so on. If you have any questions, leave a comment or DM me anytime. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.